Introducing the new 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige. This new MVP has total luxury in the second row seats. Let's come check it out. The VIP lounge seats fully recline with power footrests. Carnival's VIP lounge seats even slide side to side. Plus, both seats are heated and ventilated for ultra luxury. In addition, second row passengers each have their own entertainment system with Netflix and YouTube capabilities built right in. All passengers get to enjoy their own sliding sunroof. The Carnival seating is spacious. It even tucks away into the floor, making it ultra versatile. To learn more about the 2022 Kia Carnival, please visit us here at Generation Kia, where you can shop your way.